Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about plane, properties of a point and a line, collinear points, parallel lines, and intersecting lines. Plane. Plane is a flat surface which extends endlessly in all the directions. A plane has no boundary. A plane can be named by taking any three or more points on it which are not on the same line. What it means? Look at this. If I join this ABC, so I am not getting the same line. So I can name it plane ABC. Let us understand what is flat and curved surface. Flat surface means surface of a board, surface of a 100 rupees note, surface of a paper. These are the examples of flat surface. And curved surface, ball, an apple, an orange. These are the examples of curved surface. Understood this? Look at the examples of plane. The surface of smooth wall, the surface of the top of a table, the surface of smooth blackboard, the surface of a sheet of paper. These are the examples of a portion of a plane. Let us understand what is collinear and non-collinear points. Collinear points means three or more points in a plane which lie on the same line are called collinear points. Look at this A, B and C. They lie on the same line. So these are called collinear points. Non-collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. If I join these 3 points, they are not lie on the same line. So these are non-collinear points. Understood this? Collinear and non-collinear points? Points which lie on the same line are called collinear, and points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Parallel, intersecting and concurrent lines. Parallel line means two lines in a plane which do not meet anywhere are called parallel lines. Look at the example, line L and M. If we extend them, then also they are not going to meet. So these lines are called parallel lines. Intersecting lines. Two lines in a plane which cut each other at one point are called intersecting lines, and the point is called the point of intersection. Understood this? Look at here, this L and M, they cut each other at point D. So L and M are called intersecting line and point D is called point of intersection. Concurrent line. Three or more lines in a plane which pass through the same point are called concurrent lines, and the point is called the point of concurrence. If two lines cut each other at same point, they are called intersecting line. But if three or more lines in a plane which pass through the same point are called concurrent line. Look at here, L, M and three lines are there which are passing through a point D. So L, M and N are called concurrent lines and point D is called point of concurrence. Now properties of a point and a line. How many lines can you draw through a given point A? Let us draw the line through A. How many lines we can draw? Many lines. We can draw many lines passing through a given point A. So property 1, an unlimited number of lines can be drawn passing through a given point in a plane. How many lines can we draw that can pass through the two given points? Let us try. I'm joining these points. How many lines we can draw? We can draw only one line passing through given two points. So property 2, one and only one line can be drawn passing through two given points in a plane. Property 3rd, two lines in a plane either intersect each other at one point or are parallel to each other. If you will be given two lines, then you will find either they will intersect or they will parallel to each other. Hope you have understood this.